Hey folks, we're doing a little work in the shop, and I've got a buddy who has a cylinder misfire, 2018 Buick Envision, 2-liter turbo. We have symptoms that exhibit misfire. We have stuttering, we have missing, we have weird shifting. My scan tool doesn't tell me which one it is. It only tells me that there is a misfire. A couple of days ago, the check engine light came on flashing. So brought it here on this lovely Saturday morning, doing a quick look. First thing we did, pull the spark plugs, because much like Chris Johnson did recently, a little bit of flashlight diagnostics, so to speak. And what do we find on one of the spark plugs? And I'm hoping you guys can hear what's wrong with this particular one. We have our spark plug. She's not supposed to do that, folks. Check your spark plugs regularly. Make sure you get your technicians to check spark plugs too, because 160,000 kilometers, 100,000 miles,